Hi, thanks for sharing your plan. Appreciate that. I'm looking at the trouble spot. Now, I don't have Pro, but Chief Architect Premier X12 is about the same thing. Just X12 has more tools. But I'm just going to click on that. You see, it selects. Same thing here. So what can we do? What can we do with that? That's over here, I believe. Yeah. I'm going to go down to the foundation. And see how that wall goes all the way through. You could try just pulling this over. Now this is extemporaneous on my part. I haven't tried this and found a workable solution. But it's showing you what you can do. Huh, voila, fixed. Now the other one is over here. Click on that, pull it all the way through. I don't think that did anything. If this lined up with this, and this lined up with this, in other words, if this was wider, let's see if you're in alignment. Yeah, that one's lined up. That one's lined up. That one's not lined up. Let's try that. Wait a minute. What? What the hell? Huh. There's a wall up. There's a big wall up here. It's out of alignment. Okay. I just want them all aligned. That's all I'm interested in. Okay, let's take a look, see if that did anything. Maybe, maybe not. No, that one's still, this one still handles. This one, okay. Oh yeah, I can't just, well. If I click on this and pull it over, it won't go. Okay, I'm pulling on the wrong thing. That might cause something worse. Let's look at the other side. Thing you have to understand about this software is that this software is not an engineer or an architect, and it can't, okay, that just made the concrete come out here a little bit out of alignment. And if we take that and put it back where it was, probably the bump will come back. Yep, there it is. It's up to you. The other thing, you could just delete this wall. Oh, okay, I see what the deal is. You can also go up here on this porch and go to the structure tab and have the floor knobs supplied. Uncheck that and that. Yeah, maybe you don't want the tile on the edge, but that's another setting. That's on this setting here in these walls. You have to go to the materials tab, exterior edge. It's got drywall on it by default. Why? I have no idea, but we change that to concrete. Wherever concrete is. There it is. Okay. Back to the camera. Yeah, that's another way to, well, let's see, that caused something else. We get rid of that, and I mean, a porch like that doesn't really need a foundation, but that's up to a structural engineer to figure out. See, that looks fine. And since you're not an engineer, you don't want to particularly publish illegal foundation plans, but you were asking about how do you fix that anomaly, and I just showed you. You change the settings so that the floor is provided by the room instead of by the foundation. I just noticed something else, like this crack here. I don't know why that's there, but it's easy to fix. Just click on the wall polyline, close the gap back up. Okay. This software is great. It's not perfect. Probably never will be perfect. But there's various and different ways you can work with it to get a product, a visual graphic product. You know, the virtual model doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to communicate your desires to building professionals who are actually going to build that house. Okay. I hope this helps you, and whether it does or not, have a great day. Thank you. I'm out of here.